Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel with another useful and informative video. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix if R download is not working on your iPhone. So guys, if you are trying to use R download to download videos from Instagram but it is not working, here I will show you how can you fix it. So guys, for that you have to simply watch this video till the end. So guys, first of all you have to simply open settings in your device and then scroll it below and tap on general, tap on software update and update your software to the latest version. So guys, do this. Here you can see this, you can easily update your device, and after this you have to open App Store and search here for shortcuts. And now you have to simply update your shortcuts apps to the latest version. So guys, update this app and after this go back and now restart your device for one time. So guys, for that press and release the volume up button and then down and keep holding the power button until your device restarts. So guys, do this and check if the problem is fixed or not, and if the problem is still there then you have to open your shortcuts app and now press and hold R download from here and then tap on delete and then tap on delete shortcut. So guys, delete it for one time and after this open any browser and search here for R download. So guys, here you can see this, simply search here for R download and then go to R download from here and tap on get shortcut and wait here for some seconds and now set up shortcut again and then tap on next and then tap on skip setup, and once the download is added to your shortcuts, here you will see it, here you can see this, it is added again. Now it will be working smoothly on your iPhone. Now you will be able to download videos from Instagram very easily. So guys, that's it for today's video. Hope this video helps you. Please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. Thank you.